Prince Harry. Prince Henry Charles Albert David, known to the world as Prince Harry, was born on September 15, 1984, at St Mary's Hospital in London, England. He is the second son of Prince Charles, the Prince of Wales, and Princess Diana, the beloved People's Princess. Harry's mother, Princess Diana, was a global icon known for her charity work and deep compassion. Sadly, Diana's life was cut short in a tragic car accident in 1997, when Harry was just 12 years old. The loss of his mother deeply affected him, and it shaped much of his later life. Prince Harry attended several schools throughout his childhood and early teenage years. As a teenager, Harry continued his studies at Eton College, one of England's most prestigious schools, where he was known for his mischievous, yet endearing personality. He joined the British Army and attended Royal Military Academy Sandhurst. His military career was a significant chapter in his life. After several high-profile relationships, Harry's heart was captured by Meghan Markle, an American actress best known for her role on the TV show Suits. Together, Harry and Meghan have two children, Archie Harrison Mountbatten-Windsor, born in 2019, and Lilibet Diana Mountbatten-Windsor, born in 2021. In early 2020, Prince Harry and Meghan made the groundbreaking decision to step back from their royal duties. They moved to California, where they now focus on charitable work, business ventures, and raising their children in a quieter setting. Prince Harry's life continues to be shaped by his family, his personal experiences, and his passion for making a difference in the world. While Harry's journey has been marked by both moments of immense public scrutiny and profound personal growth, his commitment to the causes he believes in and his devotion to his family remain at the heart of who he is. Thank you so much for watching.